So this is our product. Its name is Bloom Pen, and we would like to bring a revolutionary change in the stationery market. It is biodegradable, and it has seeds which can be planted, so it is eco-friendly as well. So these are the main features of our pen.
So to make a simple smartphone cover into a mini smart cover, we have launched our product Freedom 47. Basically, it has some features like Bluetooth, GPS, and SOS alert, which is not common. So this product is unique, and moreover, our tagline is
the phone case which will solve every case.
Our product name is the e-spectacles. It is an electronic spectacles which automatically adjust the power of the individual's vision. It has the features like it is very cost effective, and it can replace the other normal spectacles because it is made of the eco-friendly materials, and it has a protection of the UV radiation plus the Blu-ray radiation. Thank you.
very loud.
Hello everyone, this is our product Solar Car. It is a futuristic car that can charge itself from sunlight. The main features of this car are it is reliability, durability and low weight, and it uses a monocrystalline solar panel which can charge itself from sunlight, in low sunlight.
Hi, this is our product Eco Glasses. It is made from ocean waste. It is reusable, recyclable and affordable. And our tagline is plastic has no place in ocean. Thank you.
Hi everyone, in this era of smart tech, this is our product Smart Bag to compete with every smart product like smartphone, smart glasses, smart watches, because it has GPS, power banks, solar panels and everything.
Hello everyone, this is our product Zero Gravity Shoes, where we connect technology with shoes. The prime features of this product is it is a perfect health companion, where you can track your day-to-day activities and you can fulfill your fitness goals. And it is all done through our app known as Step Set Go. And the tagline of our product is Make a smart move.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is our product WTG, Water Temperature Controller. This is one of the product which were run on the basis of the friction energy, not on the basis of the electricity or the solar energy. Can replace the geyser in the future, and it is having the maximum feasibility.
Hello everyone, this is the prototype name is self-watering pot. It is made up of clay, hence it is biodegradable. And also the main feature of this pot is to self-watering the plant. Thank you.